Changing the time zone that is either on your computer or server to be in the correct time zone is very important, especially when there is daylight saving time introduced and when the clocks go forward and backwards. Now, there are two ways that you can do this. The first way is by changing it in the settings app, and then I'll show you how to do it via the control panel, which might be the preferred method if it's on a server, for example. So if you hit Windows I, it opens the settings app. Now you can go through to time and language, and then here under date and time, you can then correct the time zone. So here, for example, we're not in Monrovia, we're actually in the UK, so you change it to UTC UK. As you can see, the time zone has now corrected. Now I'll show you how you would be able to do it in control panel. Now this might be the preferred method if you're changing the time zone to correct it on a Windows server, for example. And especially it's useful if this page is, for whatever reason, grayed out with the items due to settings set via GPO, which is group policy. So I'll correct it back to the old time zone, and then I'm just going to close this app. Then I'm going to right click on the taskbar and go to Task Manager. Then we'll go to File and we'll click Run New Task. Now here we'll type time.date.cpl and then we'll hit create this task with administrative privileges and click OK. If you're not an administrator on the device, then you will be prompted to sign in or use admin credentials. Then on this screen, as you can see, we've got the date and time and we've got the time zone. Now if we click change time zone, we can now set the time zone to the correct one. So here we'll set it back to the UK and we'll leave this box ticked for when daylight saving time comes and the clocks go forward and the clocks go backward. And we'll click OK. And then we'll click OK. And as we can see, the time has now changed back to the time in the UK.